Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling ingredients. Use 1 can, 15 Oz, chickpeas, or 1/2 cups cooked chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1/4 cup tahini, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 cloves garlic, and 1/2 tsp salt. Add 1/4 tsp ground cumin if desired and reserve 1/4 cup ice water plus 1/3 cup olive oil for texture and emulsion. Optionally peel a few chickpea skins for silkier hummus. This takes time but improves smoothness. Keep utensils, a food processor. Begin blending by combining 1/4 cup tahini, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, and 2 cloves garlic in the food processor. Blend about 30 seconds until creamy to build the emulsion. Add the drained chickpeas and pulse to break them down, then run the processor while streaming in 1/4 cup ice water to loosen the texture and encourage smoothness. Scrape the bowl as needed and process 1 to 2 minutes until silky. Add up to 1/3 cup olive oil for richness and 1/4 tsp cumin or extra. Taste and adjust seasoning. Add more lemon juice for brightness, a pinch more salt for depth, or 1 tablespoon increments of water to thin the hummus until it reaches your preferred texture. Transfer to a serving bowl, make a shallow well, drizzle with 1 to 2 tablespoon olive oil, and garnish with paprika, za'atar, or chopped parsley for color and aroma. Toasted pine nuts are optional for crunch. Store hummus airtight in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or portion and freeze for up to 3 months, thawing overnight before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.